Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you a Haitian fudge recipe, also known as Dous Haitien. Start off by bringing one 13.5 fluid ounce can of coconut milk, a half a cup of evaporated milk, 2 cups of sugar to a boil on medium heat. Boil for 15 minutes. For this recipe, you'll need a candy thermometer. For a more accurate reading, make sure the thermometer doesn't touch the bottom of the pot. After the 15 minutes, you'll add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 cup unsweetened coconut flakes, and 1/4 cup butter. Cook until temperature reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to stir frequently or else it will burn at the bottom. At this point, you can remove the cinnamon sticks and star anise. Once fudge has reached 240 degrees Fahrenheit, transfer into a baking dish. You can choose to grease the pan or use wax paper. In this case, I use wax paper. Allow the fudge to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until it firms up a bit, then cut it into pieces. Just keep in mind the fudge will be extremely hot even after the 10 minutes.